In this tutorial, I will be exploring this question: how can I make 1k a month from home? This video delivers some practical options and ideas to help you make 1k a month from home. So if you're interested in finding out some powerful income generating strategies to create a second income while at home, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content, and I will then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's go. Idea number 1. Freelance writing. Becoming a freelance writer is a lucrative way to produce extra income. Although the work will likely be low paying at first, you can quickly move into higher paying work. Freelance writers make money by writing articles, blog posts, or website pages. The topics are incredibly varied, and some are more high paying than others, like finance and digital marketing. You can choose to use sites like Upwork to find jobs, or reach out to companies and blogs directly to see if they want help with their content. It's also a smart option for people who like to make their own schedules and work remotely. Plus, you can write about whatever subjects you are an expert on, or learn about new topics that interest you. The earning potential is truly what you are willing to put in. If you're willing to work tirelessly to build your writing career to reach its full potential, then you stand to earn more than the median. Plus, there are perks like flexible hours and the ability to work from anywhere that makes this career path very enticing. It's one of the best stay-at-home jobs you can pursue, and the best thing is you can learn how to start freelance writing with no experience. You have the opportunity to build your freelancing business from the ground up. You have the option to choose how much you are willing to work, when you are able to work, where you will work, and how much you will charge for your services. However, you need to determine why these benefits matter to you. Would you use the newfound flexibility to spend more time with your kids, to pursue a new passion in your free time, or to make your own schedule while you travel the world? You'll need to understand how these benefits will play out in your life. Decide what you want to write about. First, you'll need to decide what you want to write about. Luckily, there is no shortage of options. You can get paid to write about a variety of subjects, so choose something that interests you. Otherwise, it can be difficult to stick to the plan. Ask yourself some questions. What lights you up? What could you talk about or write about for hours? Is there a subject that you are already an expert on? Do you have an educational background that would allow you to break into a particular area of writing as an authority? Think about what you can see yourself writing about for years to come. Of course, it's okay to evolve your writing niche over time, but you need a place to start. A few ideas for niches include parenting, personal finance, travel, and scientific exploration. These are just the top tips of the iceberg. You can find the opportunity to write about almost anything, so make sure to find something that excites you. Making a living through writing is a serious undertaking. With that, you need to decide on a schedule and stick to it. While you are still working a regular job, this might include working early mornings, late nights, or weekends to get the ball rolling. Although it is not very fun to wake up before work to work on your writing, the long-term benefits are well worth the effort. Make the decision to set a schedule that will allow you to meet your goals. Obviously, the more time you can commit to writing, the more quickly you will be able to grow your business. Practice your freelance writing. Practice makes perfect. Although you don't need to be perfect to excel as a writer, more practice certainly helps. Make the time to write every single day. You don't have to write a full post every day. Even just a pitch email or fun restaurant review can help to improve your skills. You can even practice improving how much time it takes you to write an article or post, because honestly, the faster you can write high quality pieces, the more money you can make. Practicing your craft is how to become a freelance writer faster. Build your writing portfolio. If you are starting from scratch, the idea of creating a portfolio might sound daunting. It doesn't have to be. You can start to build your portfolio piece by piece. If you are having trouble getting published, then consider starting a blog to showcase your writing abilities. Not only will this give you the opportunity to build your portfolio, but also hone your writing skills. Idea number 2. Virtual assistant. If you're an organized person, then you could excel as a virtual assistant. The tasks that are available for a virtual assistant range from email management to customer service support, for example. There are many different tasks that customers will hire a virtual assistant for. You can either start a business or apply to work at a virtual assistant company, and this is an option as a part-time job or also full-time work. You should have a good setup for this type of work, meaning you have a desk, computer, and dedicated workspace. That way you can work without distraction. If you have ever thought of working from home and starting your own business, then becoming a virtual assistant might work for you. There has never been a better time to start a work from home career. In fact, hybrid work, remote and in an office, is expected to increase in the next few years. The great thing about becoming a virtual assistant is that you don't need a degree to get started. Plus, you can make a lucrative income from your own VA business if you do it right. A virtual assistant provides a wide range of services to business owners, from admin tasks to social media marketing. There are hundreds of virtual assistant skills that are in demand. What your skills are or what you're willing to learn can determine what services you will offer. You can help business owners with their day-to-day tasks. Some popular virtual assistant services to offer are travel arrangements, book flights and organise itineraries for your clients when they travel. You can also help with any necessary research for trips. Another task is email management. Help with email marketing for your clients. You can also respond to messages and help keep your clients' emails organised. Another one is cold calls. Help your clients to reach potential customers by cold calling, make sales and help new customers to become aware of the brand. Another task is social media management. Handle your clients' social media calendar, posts and other details. You should have a good understanding of various social media platforms in order to do this. Another task is content creation for websites and blogs. Your clients may want you to help with creating content for website pages and blogs. If you're a good writer, this is a skill you can put to use. Knowledge of keyword and topic research is important. A great thing about being a virtual assistant is the ability to own your own business. The startup costs are pretty affordable and you get to work from home, which can be especially helpful if you are a mum. Being your own boss instead of an employee has its advantages. You can, to an extent, choose the clients you work with and the services you provide. You'll also be able to find ways to increase your income and expand your business if you want to. These freedoms make being your own boss worthwhile for many. Use your existing skills. You can utilize the virtual assistant skills and knowledge you already have to determine what services you will offer and what tasks you can take on. For instance, if you have customer service experience, use that to offer services such as customer support for businesses. Are you a social media buff? You can offer to manage businesses' social media profiles such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. If you would like to learn new virtual assistant skills and offer particular services, there are many ways to attain virtual assistant training for free. Be open to learning new skills in order to help your business grow. You can pick up key skills for managing calendars and travel schedules from online articles and books. Not only will you learn what it takes to be organised, you'll also become a great timekeeper. Snacknation.com provides a great breakdown of calendar management tips. Graphic design can be an essential skill for virtual assistants. For example, if you enjoy creating brochures and graphics, then you can take free courses at Canva Design School. Social media and content marketing. Google actually offers free courses and certifications on social media, content marketing and more. These are important skills to have, especially in today's world, since social media is a necessity for business owners. Idea number 3. Online English tutor. Teaching English online is a very popular side hustle. With several companies ready to hire you, there are many opportunities for you to start online teaching. Make money on your own schedule with this type of work. You can earn money easily and work around a full-time job. In addition, you can work from home, and some companies such as VIP Kid will even plan lessons for you, saving you time. Understanding the role. The first thing you need to do is get a grasp of what's required of you as a teacher. You'll want to start looking at some job adverts, reading more about the skills you'll need, and even speaking with current teachers. Online teaching isn't for everyone. Some people prefer the face-to-face interaction that comes with a classroom setting. Others simply don't enjoy the teaching experience. For both the sake of yourself and your potential students and employer, it's vital that you have a full understanding of what you're committing to. Get the right training and qualifications. Before you get started with your career in online teaching, you'll need to make sure you have the necessary skills and qualifications. People often ask, can I teach English online without a degree? It's a valid question and the answer is yes, you can. While some employers do require a degree, there are many that don't require one. Set up your teaching environment. If you're planning to teach online, you'll need to make sure you have all the right requirements. Whether it's from your home office or other remote location, you'll want to have the following: a PC or laptop or other devices with a camera that's capable of running a variety of software, a fast internet connection that allows you to video call without interruption, a webcam and headset. Your device might have a built-in webcam, but external ones can offer better quality. Similarly, a headset with a microphone will provide a better experience for you and your students. A comfortable place to sit. Depending on your workload, you might spend a fair amount of time sitting at your desk. Make sure you can maintain good posture and sit comfortably. A professional background. Take note of what your students will see when they're watching your lessons. A plain background is fine, but be mindful of what appears if not. Notes and teaching materials. It's a good idea to have enough space for your teaching notes and materials. These can help you as you progress through your lessons. Online English teaching salaries tend to vary quite considerably. Factors such as the employer, type and number of students and teaching expectations will determine the hourly rate available. Idea number 4. Data entry. Data entry can be a tedious task, but many businesses are willing to pay you to tackle their data entry needs. You'll need to be detail oriented to find opportunities for paid data entry. Take care to avoid scams in this industry. For example, if someone asks you to pay for an opportunity to work with them, it is likely a scam. You can make an income this way if you have excellent money-making skills such as typing and communication. Accuracy is important too. Data entry is an industry in which employees add, verify and edit electronic data. Many companies need people to transcribe notes from meetings, add raw data into databases and add sales figures into electronic formats multiple times during the course of a business day. A data entry job entails working as a handler of different types of electronic data and operating devices that professionals use to enter and edit data, such as a keyboard. There are a number of occupations in this industry, including typist, coder, transcriber or word processor. Jobs in this industry have several different payment methods. If you start working in this industry, you could be paid by project, keystrokes per minute, keystrokes per word, keystrokes per hour, or receive an hourly wage. Typically, the payment rate in data entry is based on your typing speed. Fast typists are likely to earn more money in this industry. When preparing for a career in data entry, it can be beneficial to pursue practical experience to help you in the role. To gain experience in the data entry field, consider taking these steps. Pursue an education. You can look for educational opportunities through high school and college classes or through technical training sessions and workshops. You can complete an internship to decide if the career path suits you. You can also volunteer or intern in a data entry role to help make professional contacts in the field. You can obtain certifications. Earning a certification will improve your job prospects in the industry. Idea number 5. Proofreading. Proofreading is a type of job where you read through articles or manuscripts and check for errors in grammar and make other small edits right before the writer's work is published. It's an excellent opportunity for anyone who wants to understand how to make an extra $1,000 a month and has a good eye for grammar. In addition, you can make around $24 per hour as a proofreader. Although finding your first gig as a proofreader can be a challenge, a course like Proof Read Anywhere will guide you through the process. Idea number 6. Blogging. Becoming a blogger may not be a good fit if you want to make an extra income immediately, but it is possible to bring in $1,000 from a blog if you build one over time. The long-term reward can be worth the upfront work, but there is a lot to do. For example, you'll need to create blog posts, learn about affiliate marketing, and build an audience. Choosing a specific topic is also important, as niche websites tend to be popular. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which idea or strategy from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.